Another thing about alcohol is that if you snore or you have sleep apnea, alcohol is going to worsen your snoring. It's going to cause relaxation of the upper airway muscles, and that will worsen snoring, worsen the obstruction of the upper airway, and that can worsen sleep apnea. People typically need higher pressures or pap pressures when they use alcohol during the night. And we see this during the sleep studies. And I asked, did you drink alcohol last night? And they say, yes, I did. And I can tell because their pressure, the pap pressure was higher than it usually is.